Hello everyone, I'm going to show you a different kind of dashboard, so to speak anyway, for your Happy Planner. This is a mini Happy Planner. It doesn't matter, it'll work for the bigger ones. It'll even work for the ones that, are 3-hole punched. This is a Sizzix stocking die. I've cut it out of felt. I cut 2 of them because I'm going to make one for someone as a gift. The stocking is going to be on the front like this, and then I'll be able to write on the back. Because this is already kind of bulky, I'm not going to cut a piece of white cardstock or something to cover this. I'll just use a darker pen, it'll work. Alright, so the first thing I need to do is go ahead and hole punch this piece. Alright, now that I've punched the holes in this, I used my 365, the Happy Planner punch. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it down, but I'm going to avoid where these little holes are. You'll understand why in just a minute. I'm going to just use my fingers to spread this. Now I'm going to put glue between the little punch outs. This is 100% wool felt. I purchased mine from Walmart.com, and I'm really impressed with the quality of it. So here we go. And since this sprayed just a little bit, I'm going to clean that up. I have some of this faux fur trim. I bought mine from Hobby Lobby. There's the information. They are not selling it right now. Our Hobby Lobby is actually taking all the Christmas stuff, starting to take it down, and it's still, what, 25 days until Christmas. I think they should leave it up at least until my birthday, which is the 15th of December. So, what we're going to do, since I want mine to be all fancy-dancy, put some glue down, spread it out very evenly, and we're going to put this down. Now that I have this faux foam fur on here, I'm just going to flip it over, and I'm going to trim it out. Okay, I have trimmed this up, as you can see on the back. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and give it a little bit of a haircut. This looks a little unkept, so just kind of push it down and get rid of any little loose furs, and just take your scissors and trim it up. Now it looks like that. I'm going to turn it over. You could use an X-Acto knife for this, you really don't need to. We're just going to cut into where we punched it to begin with. My planner back over. We're going to just put this into place wherever you want it. Because this is actually not the straightest piece, it is a little bit more difficult to line it up, but you get the message. So what you want to do is just kind of flip it back and forth and be sure that it's going to move with your book, and mine does. And so now all you would obviously do is use this piece to write whatever notes that you have going on. I did something else with mine. This is just the number 10 shipping tag, and it's got basically a bullet journal type thing on here, so that there are some things that I need to take care of before my husband gets home. So I have those in there, and I have another one in here too for December for things I'm doing. So if you're like me and you usually just don't get along with a Happy Planner, or any planner for that matter, this is a really good option. I actually ignore the days of the weeks in the notes section and just write the dates in and do it my way, because if it's too structured, it's overwhelming to me. So I would just rather have it my way. Now, if you haven't seen the video on how to make your own covers, I will try to remember to leave a card or a link up there somewhere. But I just use scrapbooking paper, and some stickers for my name. And this, actually, I could have done this where it was reversible and my name was on like the inside of the back cover or something, but I chose not to. But this is just scrapbooking paper. These are dies from my collection, snowflakes. I cut out of adhesive backed cardstock, and I just very lightly tacked them into place and then trimmed the laminate to the size I needed and then laminated it. So it's very easy. It makes a really great gift if you want to give somebody a planner. You can make some extra covers for them, extra dashboards, whatever you want. So I hope that you guys will give something like this a try yourself. This is a little just bookmarker dashboard I made for this planner to match the covers. So it can just be popped in here somewhere as well. It's super easy. If you give something like this a try, please do share your videos and your pictures with me. My email information will be down below in the form of a caption or in the description box, or probably both. Stay happy, be a blessing. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos, give them a thumbs up, and share them on your social media. Talk to you later. Bye.